In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OBS Studio with Voicemod for free. By the end, your microphone will run through Voicemod and feed straight into OBS so your recordings and streams capture your processed voice clearly and consistently. Start by downloading and installing Voicemod. When it first opens, head into its settings and choose your actual microphone as the input device. This is crucial. Voicemod needs to listen to your real mic so it can process your voice. Voicemod will also expose a virtual audio device on your system. That's the output you'll send to OBS. Now open OBS Studio and go to Settings, then Audio. Under Mic Auxiliary Audio, select the device labeled Microphone, Voicemod Virtual Audio Device. This tells OBS to listen to the processed signal, leaving Voicemod instead of your raw microphone, which keeps everything in sync with the voice effects you pick. With that in place, go to your scene in OBS. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon and choose Audio Input Capture. Create a new source, name it Voicemod, and set its device to the Voicemod virtual audio device. Adding it as a source gives you per scene control and makes it easy to mute or adjust levels without affecting other audio. If you notice echo or doubled audio, you likely have both the global mic aux and the source active at the same time. Simply mute or disable one so only a single Voicemod input is live. Switch back to Voicemod, select a voice you like, and make sure the effect is turned on. Check that the input meter moves when you speak. If you want to hear yourself while testing, enable monitoring inside Voicemod, but be mindful of potential latency. You can also fine-tune gates or sensitivity to reduce background noise if needed. Return to OBS and talk into your microphone. You should see the Voicemod meter respond, and any recording or stream will capture the transformed voice. Do a quick local recording to confirm the levels. If the meter peaks into the red, lower the gain in Voicemod or pull the fader down in OBS to prevent clipping. If you're not getting any signal, confirm Voicemod is running, your real mic is selected in Voicemod's input, and the device in OBS specifically says Voicemod Virtual Audio Device. Close other apps that might be using the mic and restart Voicemod in OBS if necessary. That's it. Your microphone in OBS is now modified by Voicemod. Enjoy swapping effects, toggling them on and off, and creating polished streams and recordings, all for free.